अस्सलाम वालेकुम। हमने इन प्रीवियस क्लास क्या पढ़ा? प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस। कैन एनीबॉडी टेल मी द सेंटेंस ऑफ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस इन उर्दू प्लीज? यस जी,
वो सुबह से खाना खा रहा है।
ओके, ट्रांसलेट इट इनटू इंग्लिश।
He has been eating since morning.
Very well. Yes, another student can tell another sentence in Urdu of present perfect continuous, please. Quickly.
वो सुबह से चल रहा है।
जी.
She has been running since morning.
Walking.
Walking since
Okay.
morning.
He is okay. G. Anybody else dares to tell, please? Anybody else? Okay. हम 2 घंटे से सबक याद कर रहे हैं, कौन बताएगा? हम 2 घंटे से सबक याद कर रहे हैं। Can anybody tell? Yes, Miss Bushra.
I has been
We are remembering lesson. We has been remembering lessons since for 2 hours.
For 2 hours. क्या गलती की जी इन्होंने? कोई बताएगा? जी,
सर है आएगा।
आएगा। ओके, अब आपके लिए जुमला है, अम्मी 10 मिनट से अंडा उबाल रही हैं।
Mother has been boiled egg for 10 minutes.
Very well. Any mistake in this sentence? Yes. What is mistake here?
Ammi has been boiling eggs for 10 minutes.
For 10 minutes. It means present perfect continuous clear.
Yes.
Okay. Now you have to ask a question in present perfect continuous, which I'll reply to you. Okay. Who is going to ask firstly? Come up. Using present perfect continuous. Yes.
Has mother been boiling egg for 10 minutes?
No, she has not been boiling eggs for 10 minutes. She has been taking rest. Look. Yes, another.
Has Aisha been cleaning the house since 2 hours? Since morning.
Yes, she has been cleaning the house since morning. Because the house was closed since many days. That's why it was dirty a much. Yes.
has he been watching TV for 20 minutes?
Yes, he has been watching TV for 20 minutes. He wastes the time. He doesn't take interest in studies. You don't watch TV, okay?
Yes.
Yes, give her.
Have you teaching us since 3 months?
No, I haven't been teaching to you for 3 months. I think for 2 months. Okay. Present perfect continuous completed. Now we are going to study past perfect continuous. Past
Perfect continuous.
perfect continuous. ज़माना माज़ी ज़माना माज़ी जारी मुकम्मल जारी। ज़माना माज़ी मुकम्मल जारी। इसमें काम जारी तो होता है, लेकिन किसी खास वक्त या मुद्दत से। वक्त की निशानदेही के लिए हम क्या इस्तेमाल करते हैं? सिंस। और दौरानिये की निशानदेही के लिए हम क्या इस्तेमाल करते हैं? फॉर। क्लियर है? प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस और पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस में 3 फर्क हैं। कितने फर्क हैं जी? 3 फर्क हैं। कौन कौन बताएगा जी? फर्स्टली सैम्बल्स। क्या फर्क होगा प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस में और पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस में?
वो सुबह से काम कर रहा है। था।
उसमें क्या होता था प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस में?
वो सुबह से काम कर रहा है।
उसमें था रहा है, इसमें होगा रहा था, रहे
थे,
रही
थी।
क्लियर जी? गिव हर। यस, व्हाट इज अनदर डिफरेंस?
सर हेल्पिंग वर्ब चेंज होंगे.
हेल्पिंग वर्ब चेंज होगा. सबके समझ में आ रही है बात? कितना डिफरेंस? सेकंड डिफरेंस इज हियर दैट हेल्पिंग वर्ब विल बी चेंज. व्हिच विल बी हियर?
सर आई थिंक हैड बीन होगा.
हैड बीन होगा. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटीन्यूअस में कौन सा था?
सर प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में हैव बीन और हैज बीन था.
हैव बीन और हैज बीन था. इसमें होगा
हैड बीन.
हैड बीन. वेरी वेल. Stop. Just two difference.
यस सर.
No difference more? No difference more? Okay. Who will tell me a sentence or past perfect continuous in Urdu? Come up, come up, come up. Who will tell me?
खालिद सूरज गुरूब होने से मछलियां पकड़ रहा था.
जी, इंग्लिश करें.
Khalid had been catching fish since sunset.
Since sunset. Very well. Clap for her. Okay, I think you all have understood. So, जो सीखो वो बोलो. Who is going to ask me question using past perfect continuous? Yes, who dares first? Come up.
Had Aisha been taking tea since morning?
No, she had not been taking tea since morning. She had been taking rest since morning. Yes, hurry up. Hurry up. Who's next?
Had she been eating biryani since morning?
No, she had not been eating biryani since morning. She cannot eat as much that she had been eating since morning. She had only 10 minutes, 5 minutes. Yes. Yes, my little star, Miss Bushra, come here. Yes, ask me.
Had I been studied for 20 minutes?
Yes, you had been studying for 20 minutes, my daughter. Okay, very well. Look, had she been laughing for 10 minutes?
Yes, she had been laughing 10 minutes.
For 10 minutes.
For 10.
Very well. Clap for her. This lesson ends, and Alhamdulillah, I hope you have understood and will do well tomorrow using all rest tenses and this one also. Now, just one tense is remaining, which will be completed tomorrow, inshallah ta'ala. Assalamu alaikum.